today's video, we're gonna do baking. But first, we are gonna introduce you someone. My cousin, Brett Ezekiel. Hello, everybody. So today, we are baking banana cake. Can you introduce us our ingredients, please? We have the flour, bananas, sugar, oil, eggs, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And for the toppings, we have cashew nuts and raisin. And for the baking tools, we're gonna use a spatula and a wire whisk and a mixing bowl and the 2 baking pan with baking paper. So let's start the baking, shall we? For 40 minutes in 175 degrees Celsius.
1 eternity later.
So guys, ito na po yung update sa aming banana cake! So, mag-taste test na po tayo! Did you see? So, sarap! Sarap po na ito. Sarap. So, kaya niyo po itong kids gawin. Basta lang po, pag sa mga oven po, kailangan niyo pong parental guidance po sa parents niyo po. Okay? So guys, sana nagustuhan niyo yung video na ginawa naming dalawa ng aking pinsan. At kung bago ko sa channel ko, please subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every single day na mag-upload po sila Daren's TV. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!